Happy holidays. It's that time of year when every commercial seems to be wrapped in tinsel and dripping with holiday spirit. We could have gone all out, talking about the heart of this festive season, making you gaze at each twinkling light and shared laugh. Yes, we could gaze towards the bright promise of a new year. And oh, the joy and togetherness. We could remind you about the timeless magic of the holidays, and getting all sentimental about celebrating the now and dreaming of tomorrow. Let's not forget the budding promise of 2024, a year we all anticipate with so much excitement that our portfolios are practically trembling. But let's be real. Our attempt was as generic as holiday fruitcake. So, we're cutting through the festive fluff. We're giving you a straight-up 30% discount on our adventure and hero subscriptions. Here's to a joyful now and a truly prosperous 2024. Happy holidays from all of us at Cryptohopper.